Gixxr map, back on the Gixxr, heading up to Elizabeth, New Jersey. But for this ride, we're going to be talking about skidding. First time skidding the other day, so you already know, time to make a video. Not purposefully, it just kind of happened, worked out well, nothing happened near the bike or anyone else, so we're all good. So, me and my uncle took a ride down to Salem, New Jersey. I'm sure you guys will see the footage. And it was a nice day like this, like really warm, but it's an hour 45-minute ride there. So by the time we got there, took our pictures, it was starting to get dark. So on the way back, obviously it was dark. You know, chilling whole time on the highway, 90, whatever. Keep in mind, like, I've been on the bike for like maybe like 3 hours longer. So the last 20 minutes of that ride from home, I was like, please get me the fuck off this thing. Probably it was fine, but I don't know, something about that switch, I don't know, just kind of like, I'm over it. So we're coming up to a light, and I'm thinking we're just gonna go, right? Because we're pretty close to it. But my uncle started stopping. Well, he came to a stop. So I did too, but mine had to be a little quicker. So, you know, start braking, downshifting, and then right when I get close to it, I start to skid a little bit. Keep in mind, the light's still yellow between all this. It like just barely turned red. I'm here, fucking full skid. You know what they say? Gotta stay in that bitch. I can feel that fish tailing just a tiny bit. So, stayed in that bitch. Blew the red, unfortunately. I mean green, unfortunately, with the skid. But it was alright. So, it was a little nerve-wracking, but I kept my cool. Just slid through, looked at, make sure I don't get smacked by anybody. And yeah. Kill me though. Jesus Christ. I don't care.
You hungry?
I don't really care.
No, I'm saying, you hungry or not?
Not really.
Not really? Let's go.
You got the key?
She ain't going nowhere, bro.
You got the key? Oh. Alright, YouTube, we're on my uncle's Harley Sportster, and we about to be out, brother. Hell yeah, brother. Shit's sick. Oh my god, this shit looks hang on for dear life and shit when I'm on this thing. Think how naked I feel on this bike. There's like no wind protection. Like I'm fighting demons right now, bro. Damn, my bitch shoots flames! What? My bike shoots flames like that? I didn't even know! Damn, he's going fast as fuck. Oh, it's on. It's good. Woo! I can hear my bike idling all over here. Good? What is that?
This is all I worry about.
Oh.
My documents.
How'd your bag hold up?
From the store.
Damn!
They ran over it.
What an asshole. You had batteries in here?
Yeah.
Damn.
Everything got destroyed.
I mean, the bag did pretty good.
So throw that shit on. Piece of shit.
At least you got that.
This is all I worry about.
Damn, you were running fast. You were running fast.
135. That's like
I thought I was a football player.
recording?
Yeah.
Wow, what the fuck?
Huh? You for real?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ready? Ready? Yeah, let's go. I'm gonna walk away.
Huh?
You ready? Let's go.
Damn, what's up, man? I'm like trying to tug on this thing. There's nothing to do besides just eat the wind. Wow, cruising, sunset, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful, brother. Scenic overlook. We should have went there. Damn, that's beautiful. This asshole got me all the way to Morristown? Bro, it's like an hour. Jesus fucking Christ. I sold the house, well, not in Morristown, but like living back on going this way. Brings back memories. Hour and 15-minute drive from my house. Showings, appraisal, inspection, full inspection. The closing was during a fucking snowstorm. Now, there was more, especially a lot more snow up here because of the fact that it's more on a hill. There you go. Eat up, G. I like your cut, G. Ah! I don't know why he doesn't like using signals. The signals are a little hard to reach. This tiny little sleazy button. Taking the turn nice and easy on his bike. Nice and easy. I don't know how you really lean on this fucking thing. I guess you could do it in fourth. Downshifting for what? Beautiful skies. Ugh. license plate LED